Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today in our lesson we will solve word problems of exercise 1C, that is page number 16 of your book New Countdown book 4. Yes, dear students, when we solve the word problem, we will follow the three main steps. That is, first of all, we will visualize the given statement. Then we will make a model for this statement, and at the end, we will solve the given statement. Now exercise 1C, page number 16. Question number 1 is that a leaking tap wastes 3750 milliliter of water in hour. How much water will be wasted in a day? So dear students, when we read the given statement at least 2 times, it will be clear that the given statement is about wastage of water. Okay. In second step, that is making model, we will highlight the main steps, the main points of this statement. And the main points is that the water waste in an hour. And what we have to find? Yes, we have to find the water waste in 24 hours. Why? Because there are 24 hours in a day. Now let's solve the given statement. Yes, in solution, first we will write the statements like this. Water wasted in 1 hour. Okay, that is 3750 milliliter. And water wasted in 24 hours. That is, we have to find. Okay, dear students, whenever 1 is given and we have to find the value for more than 1, what we will do? Yes, we will multiply the given two numbers. Okay, when we multiply these two numbers, why we write this 24? Because we have to find the water waste in a day, and there are 24 hours in a day. That's why we will multiply it with 24. After multiplication, we will get the answer like this. And at the end, we will write the statement with answer like water wasted in 24 hours is equal to 90,000 milliliter, which is our required answer. Now question number 2, Rehan found out that he can save 4,726 milliliter of water every day by not leaving the tap open continuously during his bath. Okay, how much water can be saved in 25 days in this manner? Okay, after visualization, now when we visualize the given statement, this statement is about saving of water. Okay, that how Rehan can save water every day, and when he save the water every day, how he can save the water in 25 days. Okay, this is our visualization. Means this there is in this statement, this statement is related to saving water. Okay, now when we make a model and when we highlight the main points, it will be clear that water saved in 1 day is given, and we have to find the water saved in 25 days. Okay, in third step, that is solution, we will write or we will start our solution like this. First we will write water saved in 1 day. First we will write the statement which is already given in the statement of question. Okay, first we will write what is given or which thing is given in the statement. Water saved in 1 day is given, and we have to find water saved in 25 days. Okay, again dear students, look at these two statements in the solution. It is clear that the water saved in 1 day is given, and we have to find the water saved in 25 days. Whenever anything, any statement in 1 is given and we have to find more than 1, what we will do? Yes, we will multiply the given two numbers. Okay, and when we multiply the given two numbers, we will get the answer like this. At the end, we will write the answer in statement like water saved in 25 days is equal to 118,150 milliliter. Now question number 3. Question number 3, the statement is that there are 1440 minutes in a day. Okay. How many minutes are there in 8 weeks? Okay. Now when we visualize and when we highlight the main points in model step, we will move to the third step, that is solution. Okay. In solution, first of all, minutes in a day is given and we have to find the minutes in 8 weeks. Okay, so first of all we will convert these weeks in days. Okay, 8 weeks is equal to 56 days. Why? Because there are 7 days in a week. Okay, 7 8s are 56, so we will write 8 weeks is equal to 56 days. Now we will write minutes in a day in 1 day, that is 1440, and we have to find the minutes in 56 days. Okay. Now dear students, again the minutes in 1 day is given and we have to find the minutes for more than 1, that is 56. So what will we do? Yes, we will multiply the numbers. That is, when we multiply these two numbers, we will get the answer like this. That is 80640, and we will write at the end like minutes in 56 days is equal to 80640 minutes. Now question number 4 of exercise 1C, that is 30 children made 5280 paper bags. Okay, how many did each child make? Okay, now dear students, when we visualize and model, in modeling when we highlight the main steps, we'll start our solution like this. That is bags made by 30 children. Okay, that is given, which is 5280. Okay, this is given that 30 children made 5280 bags. And which thing we have to find? Yes, we have to find bags made by one child. Dear students, each means you have to find for one. Each means one. Okay, one child you have to find. So dear students, when more than one is given and you have to find anything for one, what you will do? You will divide. Okay, now when we divide these two numbers, we will get the answer like this. Here the quotient is our required answer and we will write our answer like this statement. Bags made by each child is equal to 176 bags. Okay. Now question number 5. The statement is that how many pieces of cloth can be cut from a 5-meter length of cloth if each piece is 50 centimeter long. Okay. After visualization and making model, in model we have highlighted the main points, that is 5-meter length of whole cloth and the length of each piece, that is 50 centimeter. We will start our solution. Another thing that we have seen in making model, that in a given statement there is different units used, that is meter and centimeter. Okay, so in solution we will first make the unit same, that is meter and centimeter. First we will make this given meter into centimeter. Okay, length of cloth, that is 5 meter, and when we multiply this 5 with 100, what will happen? We will get the length of cloth in centimeter. Okay, that is 500 centimeter. Now total length of cloth is equal to 500 centimeter. Length of each piece is equal to 50 centimeter, which is given, and we have to find the number of pieces in which the cloth is divided. Okay, now when we divide the given two numbers, that is 500 with 50, we will get the answer like this, 10. Okay, now the quotient 10 is our required answer, and we will write our answer like number of pieces is equal to 10. Now dear students, question number 6. From several orchards, delicious apples are packed in boxes of 72 each. 72 each means each box contains 72. Okay. How many boxes will be required for 936 apples? After visualizing, after making the model, we will solve our question like this. 72 apples packed in box is equal to 1. Each in the given statement means 1. Okay, and we have to find that 936 apples packed in a box. We have to find the number of boxes in which 936 apples are packed. This means we will divide the given two numbers, and when we divide these two numbers, we will get the answer 13, which shows that 936 apples packed in 13 boxes. Now question number 7. First we will read the given statement, that is 5 doctors travel from Karachi to Lahore to attend a conference. The total bill for their train tickets is rupees 9,675. How much does each doctor pay? After visualization, after making model or highlighting the main steps, we will move to the solution. In solution, we will write first the given thing or which is present in the statement, that is total bill paid by 5 doctors, okay, which is given, that is rupees 9,675, and we have to find bill paid by each doctor. Dear students, each means 1. Whenever more than 1 is given and we have to find for 1, what we will do? We will divide the given two numbers, that is rupees 9,675 with 5. When we divide these two numbers, we will get our answer like 1,935 rupees, and we will do long division for it. Okay, this quotient will be our required answer in rupees. Means that each doctor have to pay 1,935 rupees. Now question number 8. How many hours are there in 2,700 minutes? Okay. After visualization and making model, we will move to the step of solution. In solution, first we will write hours in 60 minutes. Okay, how many hours are there in 60 minutes? That is 1 hour, and we have to find the hours in 2,700 minutes. So, yes, we will divide these two numbers, that is 2,700 divided by 60. We will do the long division for it like this, and at the end we will get our quotient, that is 45, which is our required answer, and we will write at the end that hours in 2,700 minutes is equal to 45 hours. Now thank you so much dear students. This is the end of our today's lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.